Peace and blessings of Allah be upon you. Welcome to the channel Understand It. Simply with Sama. Today we will, God willing, learn how to use AI to create images by just providing a description for the image we want, like the one you see in front of you now. We will also learn how to use a website that asks us to use a limited version for free. How? We will be able to use it in the way we need and want, and we will learn through a simple trick how we can do that. But before we proceed, mention the name of Allah and pray for the Prophet. Let's start with the first website we will discuss today. The website we will discuss is Pixlr. I will come here and write. Then I click on the first one. I find it opens up like this for me. And of course, I am already logged in. So once I click here, I will find many things appearing for me, like background removal and AI face swap, where you can put a dream picture and another one. And you start swapping faces and it generates AI. There are many other features, and God willing, I'll make videos explaining each part. But this tool is excellent and I use it for a lot of things. So I'll start by clicking on it, and I will come here and write the description I need for the thing I want. Like for example, tabs, play with ball, or it with Pia.
وحابة أدوس هنا generate.
In seconds it gave me the image I needed. You can of course choose any image very easily. You can download from here. Okay, this is our first method. Okay, but here, why is there something telling me that the resolution is 40? Meaning that after 40, I can't use the website? But what do I do? Very simply. I will come here, open a new tab, and then use one of the sites that can give me an email that I can use without putting my real email. So if I come here and write, start doing it. From the settings, the first one that appears to me, I will click on it. Will I find it here? In seconds, it starts giving me an email. This email is temporary, and I can use it to access the site where I need to, for example, create images or use AI tools or remove backgrounds or design anything. Just by clicking here, I get the email and start accessing the site I need, like the one we opened earlier, and I can then use it normally. And when you receive the confirmation message, your email will show the message here. You enter and take the code very normally. Okay, that was the first method, but what else? What's the second method? And here's the one I want to talk to you about today. The second simple way is using ChatGPT to create the images we need. So if I come here and write shady, and I just went into it as usual. With the same idea, you log in with the email provided to you in the way I told you about. Then I come here and ask it. For example, I will tell it here, cute dog, for example. Cute. Blue eyes. Cute dogs here. Cartoon style, colorful cartoon. Did you save it? I tell it to leave the alphabet, or I upload the image. In just seconds, everyone, ChatGPT. It sent you the image with the link you need. You don't need to keep looking for websites, of course. And honestly, there are so many websites out there, and there are even more sites that I personally use to get images just by providing a description or prompt. But simply put, you don't have to search for many websites. You can easily access ChatGPT and sign up or log in through a site called TempMail, which gives you temporary emails, and then you can use them at your convenience. You will find it as I wrote, cute dog, and whatever, it will appear. Okay, Samar, can we download it? Yes. Once I enter here and click here, I will find that it has downloaded. That's it simply. It's a very simple and quick video. I just wanted to show you that for people asking or saying how to create an image by just giving it a description. There are many websites and many ways. I chose the easiest two methods for you that I wanted to show you. I hope the video was simple and easy for you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share a lot. If you'd like to support the channel, don't forget to leave me a nice comment like you. And goodbye.